So, hello once again. Now, I will explain how the employee and the Seva management work for this organization and how we manage it in our system. So, same as earlier, go to the shortcut, then click on employee and then click on add employee. So, this will open a page where we'll fill in all the employee details. Now here, if the employee uh, if the employee is a member, then select the member. Suppose Karishma Singh here, and as you can see, some of the informations like name, gender, and other basic details will be automatically fetched from the member records. Then let's select the date of birth, suppose 1, done, and select the date of joining, suppose from 1 July. And now, then if the member is paid employee, then click on paid, and if the employee is unpaid, means basically the member is unpaid, then click on unpaid employee. Then you will get to see there is a new option, that is select the employee, whether the employee is Sant, Sevak, or PRT. So what does a Sant means? Basically a spiritual leader or a religious figure in the organization who guides member and conducts religious activities. Now, Sevak is a volunteer who offers their time and service to support the organization's activities. Okay, and last but not the least, PRT, the basically a public relations team member responsible for communication, event coordinating, and conducting or connecting with the members. Let's select for now. Let's select Sevak. Now you can see you can here you can see the user details, company details, gurukul, and much more. Now go to the another tab. Here you can see the profile, set up the profile, then you can set up the joining information, then you can set up the mobile address and contact details here up to them, like here address and much more. Now you can fill up the attendance here and the leaves, everything here. You can set up the salaries, you can set up the personal details here. Then employee exit, when the employee is exit from the company, resignation later date, and much more. Then you will see last tab, that is Seva management. So basically here in Seva management, uh, where we can manage all the Seva activities. So what we need to do is click on new Seva for the member. Now here you can set Seva means service, Seva subject, descriptions, branch, department, Seva type, date and time, and much more. Let's take an example for now. Seva subject, um, cleaning. Okay, then the description. I will take the responsibility for cleaning the main Okay, done with the description. Branch, select the branch, branch A, department like Google, Seva type like cleaning. Now, one time or ongoing Seva. Suppose one time, what does a one time Seva means? A service that is basically performed only once for a specific date and time. Like, take an example, helping in arrangements for a festival on a particular day. And what does ongoing seva means? A service that is performed regularly over a period of time, or either daily, weekly, or monthly. So, like managing the sound system for Sangat every Sunday. So for now, one time seva I am selecting. Now you can select the date and time. Suppose I will select 16 and create the seva. Done. The task has been created. Now you will click on pending task. Then you will see that the task has been you know created. And now from here, once the task is done, the employee will click on complete, and hours worked, suppose for 4 hours the member has been worked, click on complete task. Done. When you will see to the complete seva, here you will see that the task has been completed, and just then click on save. Done. Okay, this is how we manage the entire operation in our system. uh, Here, as you can see, all the operation in our system. I told you earlier how we managed each and everything. And yeah, through modules like member, events, to do's, employees, seva management, and donations, and much more. So this helps us to keep record, stay organized, and manage everything smoothly. So once again, thank you, and that's all from my side.